Alright guys, so we're outside today. We're going to do some tourist stuff. Jerome over here, so I feel the baby with mommy. We're going to see London Bridge, guys.
Hello guys. London Bridge, okay?
So we're outside looking at the stuff. This is the Thames River, guys. Don't miss them.
So they want me to give me the
When the something will pass through.
something this person.
The bigger, little bit bigger than that. No. We're going. See, you can see part of the bridge over there. So.
Oh,
Little strap right there. So.
the blue stuff over there?
Jerome, they don't see glass buildings. The glass building there, people. Jerome, come all this way to see glass.
No, it's on top glass there. No, they're not shine no boy.
The shard?
Shard, but I'm shine like I know. They must steam.
Jerome said look then dirty.
In time we could have put the sea up over there. Come on with each other.
No sure. What? That? I no pay for going. Never did it before. I never did it before. The shard. Jerome saying not going there. How on?
You don't go for a sleep. There was anything to me. The monkey something. But there was no favorite monkey.
Everything can get some theory. You're full of theory.
The next station is Southwark. Doors will open on the right-hand side. Change the National Rail services from Waterloo East.
Alam na bridge ko mo. Ano din? Alam na bridge ko mo.
Yeah, come on, Pana side there over there. So. Hey, come on, Pana side there over there. So. Go on, strong on. That me say, man, I drop me baby. People, you see all in my story, yeah? You come here and make Jerome look funny clock. Jerome, so when I come out England, I don't feel funny clock in my channel. Jerome, look there. You look funny clock. You look funny clock.
What did that?
What? People, this boy said I don't look funny clock. Go down here.
Hey, brother. How's that? That's style.
People crowd out of the kill. We need to go inside. Crowd thick. So that's the London Eye, people.
Put the Robin here. Robin? Can I say, Robin? Can I say, I look on the clock and I didn't intend to, honestly. I didn't even realize she said look up. By the time I look up, Robin. No, I'm going to have something here.
People say something really? The man just sneeze right in her ear. Okay, so that's the London Eye.
That thing, what is it high?
Yes.
Oh, so you're going to have the plane going in?
You see how slow it a move?
You know how to go fast?
So you know move fast. You know see how slow it a move?
Oh, so you get to oversee the city?
Yeah.
So you're going to carrying?
Half an hour the full ride.
Where are you going there?
This is still the Thames.
Yeah.
The river long.
You're going like this. Now we are once in a lifetime.
And then that is Brother Big Ben over there.
Oh, look funny right there.
Houses of Parliament. And all of that. Boris office there on this one. Straight down this one.
You're not an officer again, man.
There we go in the people. See what going. People Jerome Banner is going on because the man gone with me. I'm gone. When did we off yonder? Where have to say?
No, we're not going to on the line too long.
Where have to say?
So hungry.
You hungry? You don't just eat. The wickedy?
Oh, Papa, I could breeze blow fire.
You must sleep long though.
Then get up and now go.
Exhausted. Jerome, your favorite song? Sun hot. Walk with the queen bee, is it? So we just go one side, let's sit down. And so we go where now. Place hot, man. Hot. So guys, we're on our way back home now.
A quick one, yes.
This is Big Ben out yonder. Oh yeah, yesterday something here so them put them up on the road, on the side of the road, because I don't remember which year now. I think about 2016. Somebody decided to do an act of terror and run their car in the crowd on the sidewalk. So then put them up as barriers to keep people from repeating that act. So that's why those are there. But yeah, if you don't hear from us again, then this is the end of the video. I'm not even to see me because you know me look like already. But this is the end of the video and we're on our way back home. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little vlog. We've not really been doing no much because we kind of mash up a little way. But we thought we'd come out and give us some look on today. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, so thanks for watching again. Big up on yourself, on a nice clean self. Yeah. Bye. Buckingham Palace.
Look for auntie.
Jeremy, go look for your auntie. I'm not an auntie over the palace. Jerome alone. So we're on our last few days here. So we just had to do some things and thing. So what to say else? Tell us something that normally have nothing to say.
Never say Papa don't like the car seat people.
You like it, I'm kind of tired.
You don't like the car seat.
Mommy, I'm punking out this so. And we'll take time walk go by palace. I don't have anything else to say, so when we get there, then we can talk to him again. Jerome, so I cut the video then too much. But I don't have nothing to say, and him not say nothing either. So I don't know how it go. Tell me how it goes.
Yes.
How it goes, sir?
When you check this show more, man, it's gonna be a short vlog.
If it's a vlog at all, this might be a part of a vlog. This might not be a whole vlog.
I feel like I'm showing a change puppy.
Why?
Not a joke.
The man what come here and try to keep him out there.
You see, I try to walk out there.
No, I'm telling me video, sir. Anyhow, we're up on the road,
You need to cross the road and walk over there, sir.
Wait. Oh,
I think that's what we need to do.
we cross right there, sir.
Cross not in the middle.
We're outside for the peeps. See, they there. Cause him a ball and he don't want to stay in the car seat, he want to sleep. So mommy a carry him. She hug him up like a further up, look further up. She hug him up like a money she a carry. Cause she don't want to catch COVID. Oh Jesus. You never get a hug like this in your life. Watch out people, watch out. Hook him up like a money. Like a bag of money. We have to say for yourself. What? What is that?
Call Auntie Oscar and walk up to them, please.
Auntie Pauline?
Yeah, like before I was cooking over the palace. So.
Auntie Pauline, if you can.
Okay, do it at the royal plate.
Hey guys. We're almost there. We're at the Queen's Gallery.
Oh, okay.
This is the Queen's Gallery, guys. The Queen's Gallery. See them? So we're outside. Pampy and Elizabeth outside. May I shake on up too much, Josh?
I'm going to flip around.
If flick around, then I'll look for me again. We're out here, guys. We're out here. Yeah? I'm gonna fix whatever is down there. Yeah, there one gas line. Don't so can blow up, so can blow up.
Okay.
So they must fix this. Don't know where we live can blow.
Sorry, man. That thing never say here.
Okay, guys. We're here. The Chugal is a big gate.
What's the big gate?
No, you can't go through a joke. See it over there, so there.
Are you going to go about this?
Huh? Oh. Alright, guys. That's him today. Jerome?
Over here, the thing of the key? The
The
platinum.
big, yeah, in a year so.
Oh.
So the whole the road then did have people. No, the people then were just stand up as audience. Out here then did it. So you see them all they stand up on one balcony. See balcony in there me go. Yeah. Jerome, come look me auntie people.
Color who knows some clothes on the outside. Because auntie makes clothes on the outside.
Imagine hours of evening now and so much people out there. Can you imagine if they come in so much?
That's auntie are famous. I'm sure I'm not asked though. When so much people come in here on a daily basis. Call auntie to us on outside. Somebody call auntie to us outside. When so much people come over here every day. Call the power key. Last time.
If you not call the auntie. Okay guys, Jerome over here, so I take close up an auntie place. So we're going over there to see. Where am I going?
But the serious now are going changing handcars in town.
That's the only movement in can make.
But I'm saying though, this not new name.
Well, if he feels a scratch him, if him bottom a scratch him, anything he can't move.
They'll be so disobedient. We couldn't do that.
See next Sunday. He cannot move. But if you
punishment,
touch him, he take his and juke you. He's only supposed to move if he's defending Sister Peggy.
Defending her alone?
Defend the entrance, defend the lady.
So if I jump over my fence, I'm going to show you?
But I'm find out now. I'm making a boost.
People, just comment down below if you want me to jump over it.
People not think if you jump down.
Comment down below if you want me to jump over a fence. Me get
Again.
10 comments, I will jump over a fence.
Making go on them go yeah.
10 person just said jump. Just say jump. I'm a jump over
You
there.
can't say jump 10 times.
Just say jump.
Jump.
No, in that comments where I see. First, I will jump.
Lord have mercy.
But then got no baby.
See them now.
It's like a man to get more.
Then I'll go there so too.
Yeah, I can go on the road kind of.
With that Jerome auntie had people.
Everybody come to see my auntie like we're like that. Like
Your family largy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the name Greenland. People have to come in your yard.
Little gold gates around here. And so all these peoples. You see? You see what my while ago?
What now?
Somebody go up there and he said, get off the fence!
You show them sister.
You want to shoot me?
What's when they go up on you? What's when they go up there?
See, they want to find out what happened, eh?
No guard changing ceremony today.
You go up there, and then I'll give the warning show, then I'll point the rifle.
You can't shoot out there, come to out there.
The man have a job to defend, see, still and guys, we did that over.
Come to come picture big
The big something.
somebody came.
This is the only movement he can do. Go stretching the legs. Try to can't move again. Ahora gonna move to. Stop picking me up for many people then come out with them gun. She have to stamp the parliamentary things and then something.
Okay.
Come up and go a little nearer, then I shoot the man.
Shoot who?
The lady male come and the gunman then come out. See there? Royal Mail.
Must you start body and go do this one?
And then come with them gun. See the machine. That's every artillery. It's nice though. Nice little garden. Not true. I hope. Nice. One of them there feature. Me say, me not take my money by that at all.
So what is your number right now?
The police car. See police them over there, so that. People in police car. Come on. You know you have to screen drop in this. Stop recording people. Alright, peace. How many people them we walk with there? They know they walk away. Oh, they're on the man. Okay guys, we're at Victoria Station and we're going home. No, we don't see Auntie Lizzie. So we treat platform 11. See the guys. 29 it home. 9:29 it home.
It's 9:29 now.
No, it's 9:14 now.
Oh, no, platform 11. Platform 11. You have to go see.
We'll go home. So close out the video.
So people take care, remember to like the video, share the video.
29 is a home. 9:29. Platform 11. 9:15.
Okay guys, so I think this is it for the day. We're actually heading back home now. Train just leave, so should be home in about 20 minutes or so, probably. Thank you guys for watching the video. We wanted to do some more things today, but we didn't get a chance. Time was up on us or against us. Yeah. How was it been today?
Today did alright. We just hungry and tired.
As always. Anyways, see you guys in the next vlog. Not sure when. Probably the airport vlog going back home. Not sure if we're going to be doing anything where vlog is concerned before then. But until then, take care. Remember to tell somebody about the channel, like the videos, leave your comments down below. Big up on yourself.
Share. Thanks for watching.